Rendelas. Rendelas are also known as rounds. It's a type of cut that creates an oval or round flat pieces by cutting a cylindrical vegetable crosswise, which produces a round oval surface. Diagonals. When diagonal cutting, the knife enters at a 45 degrees angle. The cutting motion is a smooth draw of a very sharp knife followed by a roll of twist to prevent slices from sticking together. Oblique cut. Also known as roll cut, an oblique cut is a method of cutting food with two angled sides. This cut is useful when you want a larger surface area for glazing, reducing the cooking time, or to add visual appeal to a dish. Then we have lozenges. A molded four-sided trap cut for diamond or other transparent gemstone having a lozenge-shaped table. In this cut, each of the four sides are bordered by a sloping trapezoid facet. Is a culinary knife cut which the food item is cut into long, thin strips similar to matchsticks. Bâtonnet is a French vegetable cut where you cut food like ground vegetables and fruit into long stick pieces. We have brunoise. Finest dice and design from the julienne. Any smaller in the cut would be considered a means to brunoise. Gather the julienne vegetable strips together then dice into 3mm cubes. This cut is most often used for making sauces like tomato concasse or as an aromatic garnish or dishes. Paysan, a French term that is used to describe the way vegetables are cut. They are usually cut with very thin and cut in the form of vegetable being cut. For example, carrots may be cut very thin in circles as a carrot is. Turner, an oblong-shaped cut for vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, or squash that provides a distinctive and consistent appearance to the food item being served. And lastly, chiffonade, a slicing technique in which leafy green vegetables such as spinach, sorrel, or Swiss chard or flat-leaved herb like basil are cut into long, thin strips. This is accomplished by stacking leaves, rolling them tightly, then slicing the leaves perpendicular to the roll. And that's all for the different kitchen knife skills.